everyone. Take a section of the hair from the middle, add a rubber band to it, and now roll the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, tighten the hair as such. Now once you have tightened it, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side of this middle section, join them together, and then tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself, loosen the sides as such. Now behind this, but also on either side of the section you have just created, once more create another section, roll the hair in on itself through it, and tighten it once you are done. Take 2 sections from either side and tie it up at the back, or rather clip it up using this large and decorative clip. Next, leave out a section of the hair in the front as bangs, and then take a section of the hair in the middle at the back. Tie it up and then make a zigzag portion on one of the sides. Roll the hair in on itself in order to make it stay, and then tighten it. Make the sections, that is the zigzag sections, all the more pronounced. This is what it should look like. Clip it up at the back. Continue on and do this on the other side of it as well. Once again, roll the hair in on itself in order to make it stay. Make it more pronounced using your fingers. Now once you are done with this, join the 2 sections of it together at the back. Now once you join the 2 sections together, add a decorative clip, a large one, at the back of it. Next, take a small section of the hair from the middle at the top on one of the sides, take another one right underneath it, and twist one over the other as such. Continue to include more and more sections of the hair into it as you progress with this twist. Now, as you progress with this twist, as you can see, we have reached almost the middle section of it. Now, once you have reached this section, you may keep it aside, slightly loosen the top before you tie it up, and now continue to twist it without including any more sections. Clip it up using a decorative clip. In the other side, you may just add a decorative clip and puff it out slightly. Thank you for watching.